Hello everyone, I will show you how to create a seamless textile design pattern in Adobe Photoshop. I will create a new file with a transparent background and with height and width equal to 500 pixels. I will choose a color according to my theme. The theme here is Aurora, polar lights, which is a beautiful color formation of the sky. I will choose the brush tool of appropriate size and paint a few strokes on my canvas in this way. I will add a few strokes of brush in a second color like this. I have opened my artwork in Photoshop, this textile design with a stylized version of wolf with a full moon background. I will use the move tool to drag and place the textile motif on my new file. I will apply the free transform feature by pressing Ctrl+T on the keyboard. I will resize this motif. I will place one more motif on my canvas and make it a little smaller and position it properly on my canvas so that it looks aesthetically appealing. I will reduce the opacity of this layer having these brush designs because I want my textile motif to be highlighted. After this, I will go to the layer menu and choose flatten image to combine all the layers and to be treated as one single background layer. This is how you need to divide the canvas to create a seamless pattern and then interchange the positions of every division so that you can achieve a seamless pattern. I will unlock the background layer. With the move tool, I will pull out a vertical guideline and place it in the center of the canvas. With the rectangular marquee tool, I will select half of the canvas on the right hand side, right click and choose Layer via Cut. I will place this section on the left hand side and actually interchange the positions of the left and right hand side of the design in this way. I will go to the layer menu, choose flatten image. I will use a new color and paint a few strokes in the empty spaces of the design. I will unlock the background layer in the layer panel. I will pull out a horizontal guideline from the top ruler and place it exactly in the middle of the canvas. I will choose the marquee tool from the toolbox, drag and select the top half of the design, right click and choose Layer via Cut. I will move this selection to the bottom of my canvas and the section which was already there at the bottom will be moved to the top. I will use a new color and paint some more strokes with the brush tool in the empty section of the canvas. I will go to the layer menu, select flatten image. This is how my seamless design would look when I repeat this artwork in a pattern.